Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
In today's video, we are going to see another method which is from data table connector, like how you can filter a data table or an Excel data. So in part 1 and part 2, we have explored few methods and also an introduction to data table. So let's continue on this. So in the direct Excel connector method, we do not have that option to filter it, but from the data table you can do it. Okay, let's filter with filter in the data table method. So you have two kinds of filter. One is like a normal filter which we can provide an expression and then filter it, and second is filter your table by using a regex expression. So let's see both of them, and first we'll use this filter and sort. So here it has three parameter: your expression, which is your filter expression, sort, column name and order. And this is the Excel which we are going to use. So basically when you apply a filter, you will be doing like going into the sort and filter, and then there is also an option like on which order you want to sort it, like is it from the ascending order or the descending one. And also you have to apply the filter or which parameter, on which value you want to basically select it. So the same you have over here. So the sort column name. Okay, so now I want to sort my data based on the column name. Let's take the column name role. Okay, so let's take this role, and here let's manually apply it. So here let me just duplicate it so that we could have more data and we can filter it. So let me just okay. So now that we have different data, and also just to not to have any duplicates, I'm filling the okay. So now we do not have any duplicates, and we have some duplicates in the role. So I want to filter based on the data scientist, the data analyst. Let's have more data analyst, and let me also remove the colors. Okay, let's okay. And now I'm going to apply just data analyst. So applying my filter on the role called data analyst, I get 6 records out of the 15 records. So let's try to implement the same from the board. So I'm going to take the role, which is the column role, and order either we can go with descending or ascending order. Okay, so to provide this we just have to provide the double quotes in the caps, and then your expression. So if you have watched my video on Outlook methods, I have shown how you can apply. So basically this is the condition, like so if you want to get the role which have analyst, you have to use this equals, basically an equal condition. If you want to get all the rows which doesn't have analyst, then you could go with this not equal, and this is starts with, and this is for contains one. Okay, now I'm going to take this called analyst, the equal condition. Let's see how you can do this. So here basically here you have to provide your column name, which is role, and let's take equal to, and here it's not analyst, it's data analyst. So let me pick this, and you have to provide your condition in the single quotes. So everything is done, and this will give you the filtered count and the resultant data table over here. So let's run this. Okay, this is completed, I guess. Yes, so let's preview it. Okay, I think we got the expected results. So in the original Excel we found 6 after the filter, so we have it, and let's preview the data as well. Okay, so all we have is just the data analyst. So now we could also do that it shouldn't have been the data analyst. So, and now we should get the 9 record, which is except these 6 records. Let's run it now. Okay, we have the 9 which is expected, and let's preview it. So it shouldn't have the data analyst, so this is good. And also you can see that it is making the descending order correctly. Okay, so this is good, and you can also do this for ascending ASC, and let's run it. Now the role D should be at the top. So yes, this is good. So this is the simple way to apply filter, and you could also use other condition and you can test it without using a regex expression. Let's see how you can do with the expression one. So basically here you have to provide the column index, so which is like in the previous method we have used the role, basically the column name. Here you have to use the index, so it's like 0 1 2 3 and it's the 4. Okay, so let's give the column 4, and I have a regex expression, so you can customize it, or you can also use ChatGPT to generate it. So I just have it, and here I want to data analyst, and this will give you the rows count and the table as well. Okay, let's see, we should be getting, yes, this is 6 expected, and here it has given the value, and this will give you in the same order what the Excel has. It will not just do an ascending or descending order. Let me just see. So if you take, it has given us in the same order. Okay, so this is good. Let's use the not equal to condition. Like, you can apply any expression, so you could take a filter method to filter with data analyst and another role, like a combination of two filter also you could apply it. And here you can just have to apply this and or this and to apply multiple filters over here. So let's use the not one, which is basically the role except data analyst. Okay, and also make sure that you have the typo on the cases correctly, the upper or the lower one. It should be 9. So yes, and also we have the expected data table. So this is how you can filter your data. And now what we have filter is just on the data table. If you want to write the result to the Excel, use this method called write to Excel from data writer. In that way you will be writing the resultant value to the actual Excel or to the new Excel. So to know more about how you can write the resultant data, watch my part 1 video. Okay, I hope you guys can understand the difference between these two methods and an easy way to filter your Excel data table. And also, if you have any doubts or any comments, please let me know your thoughts, and make sure that you like this video in case you guys find it useful, so that it could recommend to more people. And thank you so much for watching this video.